Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to get the crying filter on TikTok. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute, so don't skip any part of this video. Watch this video till the end. So first of all, you'll need to open your Snapchat app, and after that click on this little emoji icon and click on explore and search here crying. And from this list you can select any crying filter. So I'm selecting this one. And after that tap on this filter to record your video, and then you will need to click on save. So save this video on your gallery and then open your TikTok app and click on this plus icon and click on upload. And here you'll find the video which one you have downloaded from Snapchat. So select the video, and now you will be able to upload crying video on your TikTok. If you think to see more helpful videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.